This is my project from day 2. Ta-da!
Alright, so tell us about today's project.
What are the questions?
So, what was different with today?
That was showing 4 colours?
Is it 4?
Yeah, because that includes purple.
Okay, what was the difference in the LED today? So yes,
That there was different LED.
well, it was different. What was the difference?
That there were 4 thingy McBoppies.
Okay.
And only 3.
Okay, so, and what did those 4 pins represent?
Red, green, blue, ground.
Okay, so is ground a colour?
No.
No. Okay, so yesterday our LED had how many colours? And how many today? How many? Okay. And so what was the first part of what you did? Did you make each colour flash on and off?
I can't remember. It was a while ago because my mum was messing about on the computer doing something else before we filmed this video.
Okay, so do you want to tell us about what it's doing now?
It's flashing, of course.
All right, so tell us about the colours that it's flashing.
It's flashing green, red, blue and purple.
Okay, so if we look at the code, what is it starting off flashing? So pin 0 is turning on first of all. What's pin 0?
Red.
Okay, and then we're turning pin 1 on. What's pin 1?
Pin 1 is green.
Okay, so we can see that there's, oh, you can't on the video. All right, and then what happens after we turn pin 1 on? We have a pause for 500 milliseconds. Then what do we do?
And red. Then green turns off.
Yeah, and then what happens?
And we wait 500 milliseconds.
Uh-huh. And then
Then blue turns on.
okay, and when blue turns on, have we still got the red turned on?
No.
When did we turn the red off?
Never.
Right, so have we got red turned on?
Yeah.
And so what colour do we get?
Purple.
Okay. Do you have anything else to say?
Subscribe to... Where do we subscribe to again?
Foodies.
Subscribe to a place called Foodies.
And are you going to be back tomorrow with day 3?
Maybe.
Oh. What do you think day 3 might be about?
Don't tell this to my mum, but there's not going to be any day 3.
Really? Because I thought you loved making the videos.
The videos is the only best part about it.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, are you going to say goodbye then? Or you're not going to say bye-bye till day 25?
I mean day 24.
Oh, day 24.
Yeah, why not?
All right, have you finished?
Yeah.
Do I turn it off now?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
But... What?